how to make adverbs from adjectives, how to say more or less, and one good advice how to drink without hangover. My name is Anastasia. This is 1000 most common words in Russian. The course to learn basic Russian vocabulary with exercises on learnrussian.org. 40 lessons, in each lesson 25 of the most frequently used Russian words. Today is our first session about adverbs. I told you about adjectives in the lesson 14, 18 and 27. Adjectives can be male, female, neuter and plural. And adjectives characterize nouns. Adverbs don't change. There is only one form, ура! And adverbs characterize verbs. So, if you remember at least 30 adjectives, you are able to make 30 adverbs. I will show you examples. Хороший, хорошо. Плохой, плохо. Быстрый, быстро. Медленный, медленно. Did you understand how it works? We change the last two letters of the adjectives to O and get adverbs. Хорошо, плохо, быстро, медленно. You can use this rule for almost all adjectives. Хороший компьютер работает хорошо. Of course, there are some exceptions. Do you remember of course? Конечно. Let's see the most useful exceptions. Большой, много. There is one word много for these three meanings. Больше. Маленький, мало, меньше. Много, мало, больше, меньше. How to say more or less in Russian? Более-менее. Ты понимаешь по-русски? Более-менее. You know good how to say better. Хорошо, лучше, лучше. And the opposite. Хуже, хуже. Рано, рано утром. Поздно. We don't pronounce d. Поздно, вечером. When do you learn Russian? Раньше, раньше. Давно, давно. Oh yeah, it was a long time ago. Недавно, недавно. There is a different stress. Долго, долго. That's a process. Скоро, скоро. Do you remember скорая помощь? Is help that comes soon. Сначала, сначала. Потом, потом. Сначала пиво, потом водка. Do you know the rule? What to drink first? Every Russian knows. When you drink alcohol, you have to increase percent. If you do the other way around, you get похмелье. Ой-ой-ой, don't do like this. Похмелье. Нельзя is also forbidden, not allowed. Нельзя курить. You are not allowed to smoke in restaurants and cafes. Нельзя is the opposite of можно. You can find the explanation of можно in the third video. Вместе. It's similar to место. Место вместе. Только. Только ты. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Enough is хватит. Хватит на сегодня. If you liked the lesson, click the thumbs up button and share it on social media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly videos to learn Russian. See you next lesson. До встречи!